What makes you love Jamaica, man?
Jamaica?
Hey.
Reggae.
Reggae.
We are reggae people. Skanky.
What? Hey.
That's what you love about Jamaica.
That's what you love about Jamaica. The weed. Kuja hapa tuambie tunapenda weed.
We love weed, Jamaica, the rhythms, roots reggae music. Jamaica to the world.
Jamaica to the world. Thank you.
I'm from Burundi.
Hey, Burundian people.
From Burundi.
We are watching from Burundi. Guys, finally.
Yes.
So guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Claudia Walks, and remember I'm in the street of Easily Down Street. So guys, if you're watching for the first time, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Claudia Walks. Okay, let's do this together. Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Doing good.
What's your name?
Hamid.
What are you doing here?
Yeah, on Safaricom list.
So guys, this guy is from Safaricom. Yeah, he's trying to market Safaricom. What are you doing here in specific?
We are registering.
You are registering,
new lines to customers.
Yeah,
so that people can get connected.
to Safaricom. You connect. You connect to each and everyone in the whole world.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm Claudia Walks pale kwa YouTube. Okay. Hi. Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks. Say hi to my fans. Hello.
It was nice meeting you.
Okay, thank you so much. On today's vlog, guys, we are going to talk about Trinidad and Tobago. I don't know whether people from this street know Trinidad and Tobago. But anyway, let's get into the streets. We interact with people and see if Trinidad and Tobago is known as into these streets. Let's keep on walking around, guys. Oh, and thank you so much. Hi. That guy's calling me, but I just fear these streets, man. And guys, some people have been complaining that my voice is not audible enough, but I'll get a mic. I will get a mic so that I can be audible enough to you guys. So tell me where you are watching my video from. Tell me where you are supporting Claudia from. And guys, I've just crossed the road from that side. I don't know whether I can from that side onto this side. But yeah, sorry. So let's keep on walking. I'm scared, guys. That's why I'm a bit fast. All fast. Oh guys, let me tell you what. People from this street, some, not all of them, but they are so. Someone, these are the real streets, guys, and someone don't come to you saying that, oh, it's safe, it's like this and this. You guys, if you're watching this video, get warned. You can hear from background voice what people are saying. Man, why are you recording us? Madam, nisipata unanichukua. But anyway, that is it from these beautiful streets. But we love people of all kinds, both positive, negative. We have to accept them. And we are happy, guys. There is traffic jam around here.
Very good.
Yeah. Niwache. Sawa, nimewacha. Nirekodi huku nyuma. Sawa. So guys, I don't know. Oh, it's like people from these streets, they don't want to approach me and I don't want to approach them at first. But anyway, we will make it. Ni content creation
Ya nini hiyo?
Twende, ni ya YouTube. Haya, sawa. Oh, naitwa Claudia Walks, Claudia Walks. Unaitwa nani?
Mimi naitwa kwa majina naitwa Paul Kamlesh.
Nini unafanyanga huku Isili?
Mwendeshaji wa bodaboda.
So guys, I'm trying to ask him what he normally does here in Isili.
Mimi ni Burundi.
Oh,
yeah, mimi ni Burundi. I come from Burundi.
Hey, Burundian people.
From Burundi.
We are watching from Burundi. Guys, finally.
Yes, I have an LPG in the house. Yes.
So in these streets we meet people from all areas and we love them all.
That's very good.
Tell my Burundian supporters something,
Hi, how are you everybody? I have my friends there. There is my friend there, over.
Hey.
Yes, that's my friend Dennis, that's my friend Maina, and my friend Kamau is also a hustler. Yes, sisi ndio tulipromisiwa na serikali ya Ruto. Pesa tukiwa na mama boga.
So I have a question for you. You have been into Burundi and you are here in Kenya.
Yeah.
Do you know a country known as Trinidad and Tobago?
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes, my mother is a Kenyan.
Oh, your mother is from Kenya.
Yes.
Okay, tell my fans something.
What can I say about anything?
Anything.
I'm happy.
You are happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
So guys, if you are watching from Burundi and you happen to come here in Isili, make sure you say hi to this guy from Isili. What's the name of this street?
This is Wahuda Street.
Wahuda Street, from the down street of Isili.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay guys, let's keep on walking. Hi bro. Come. Kwa nini sasa? Utaki nini sasa? Kuja. Salamu tu, just greeting. Sawa. That's so funny. So guys, I think apart from Somali people, we and Kenyans, we also have other people from other nations here in Nairobi, Isili. Oh. Those guys are lovely, man. So guys, let's keep on walking around. And I think that guy doesn't know about Trinidad and Tobago. I don't know, but I know they know about Jamaica. Oh, look at this. People are doing business around here. So let's keep on walking around. Yes. Oh, what's your name? James. Ni ya YouTube. Salimia mafansi wangu, waambie kitu.
Gotea sana.
Wagotea sana. Wewe mwenyewe wagotee. Wapo wanaona.
Wagotea sana. Wagotea.
Sawa, unajua hii country inaitwa Trinidad and Tobago?
Yes.
Unajua country gani unapenda? Which country do you love?
Kenya.
You love Kenya. What if you are given a chance to go to another country, will you? Which country? America. You see, no? Okay, thank you so much. Pale kwa YouTube ni Claudia Walks, Okay, thank you. Oh, hi bro. How are you? Near YouTube, Mimi ni content creator naitwa Claudia Walks. Unajua Trinidad and Tobago? You know that country? Oh, what do you know about it? Yeah? Oh, nini unajua kuhusu hiyo country? Nini unajua kuhusu hiyo country? Oh, guys, these guys know about Tobago, Tobago and Trinidad, but he doesn't know more about it. So, at least from Isili. Oh, sorry.
Claudia.
How are you?
Are you
This
good?
guy is calling me by my name. I'm fine.
You are good?
Yeah, I'm
You are
good.
this guy?
I'm this guy.
Yeah. What are you saying?
He's saying he knows Trinidad and Tobago. Do you know that country?
Which one?
Trinidad and Tobago.
I know it.
You know it?
Yeah.
What do you know about it?
I don't know much about it. I just only know about the other countries, like my country, Jamaica.
You know, hey,
Yeah,
you love
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Okay, tell my fans something from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Tell my fans something from Jamaica.
Why don't they come to visit us?
So if you are watching from Jamaica, make sure you visit
Come and
us.
visit us here.
This guy
First Avenue, we are always here every time.
Yeah.
So come visit us, promote us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. So that guy knows me. So let's keep on walking around here. Mbona unajifunika? Oh, this is First Avenue. Hey, how are you? Yeah? Unataka kuonekana? Sawa basi. Hii ni media bana. So Claudia is well known here in Isili. And I love that. I'm happy. Oh, hey. How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Masai.
You are Masai. Mbona unaitwa Masai ama you come from Masai community?
Yeah, mimi ni Masai.
Kuja hii side. You come from Masai community. Do you know a country known as Trinidad and Tobago?
Speaking Swahili.
Oh guys, people from this street doesn't know English, but I have to translate for you guys. Do you know a country known as Trinidad and Tobago? Yeah. Unajua hiyo country inaitwa Trinidad and Tobago? Ni country gani unajua from Caribbean countries? Jamaica, Barbados. Nini unapenda kuhusu hizo country? Umesema Rwanda. Guys, another guy here loves. Umetosha. Wasema hi basi. Bye. Wow. So guys, I think people know nothing about Trinidad and Tobago, but I think I will just do another vlog and educating people, or telling people more about Caribbean countries. We have a lot of countries in Caribbean Highlands. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still reporting, man. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Hawaja kuona. Say hi wa ndio wakuone. Pinduka. Sawa. So guys, as I was communicating to you, and where were we? So I think I will do another video educating people more about these Caribbean countries so that they can be updated too about the Caribbean countries. Endelea, continue. Uko sawa? What's your name? Robert. What do you normally do here in Isili?
Vendor.
Oh, okay. This is what he does here. Make sure once you come into Isili, what's the name of the street? I don't know this street. Waambie ndo wakuja wa kupromote.
This is 12th Street.
12th Street. Okay, do you know a country known as Trinidad and Tobago?
What?
Trinidad and Tobago in Caribbean Highlands.
Yeah.
What do you know about it?
Yeah.
What do you know about it?
Maybe I go through, I know.
Haya sasa, hai mami. Ujanaka, utaki kuonekana? Haya sawa basi. Waambie tu hi. Imagine hi peke yake. Waambie wa subscribe. Yeah. You like it? Okay, I'm Claudia Walks pale kwa YouTube.
Ati?
Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks. Content creator.
Mimi ni content creator.
Hai iko YouTube ama iko live?
Haiko live sana baadaye leo. Utajiona hapo imagine. Claudia Walks. Hayo ya kutembea tu. Claudia Walks. Wait for me there. Ningoja hapo. Claudia Walks. apart from Trinidad and Tobago. Guys, they are trying to search for my name. Eh? So, do you love Jamaica?
Yeah.
What makes you love Jamaica, man?
Jamaica.
Hey.
Reggae.
Reggae. What was apart from reggae? What do you what do you know about Jamaica? Oh, Tobago. Okay, nini unapenda kuhusu Jamaica in short? What he loves, what he knows more about Jamaica? Reggae. Hey, wait. Nini ingine? Reggae songs. Hebu tuimbie ka reggae song kamoja. Hey, leta kamoja kasi. Oh, can you sing for us? Haya, sawa, tuimbe ka reggae song kamoja. Hata nimesubscribe. Oh, thank you. Tuendelee, msaidie. Wewe ni mtu wa nini? Wewe ni Magogidi.
Mimi ndo Warege.
Wewe ni Warege? Akamoja tu nitakusaidia, akamoja tuanze kama wala. Tuendelee. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Sawa, thank you so much for your time. Hi, asante. The vibe. Yeah. The streets are getting so lively, man. The streets are getting more lively. But anyway, we thank God for this. This is for you guys. If you're watching from Trinidad, Tobago, Jamaica, anyway, in general, Caribbean islands, make sure you support your beautiful girl here from Kenya, Africa. We love you so much. Eh? So guys, I'm off from the down streets of Isili. I just wanted to be more safe because I'm alone in this street. So I decided to get to another street. But I hope you are enjoying the video. Oh, too much sun. Don't know whether you can see me well or yeah. So, Lipko. That guy is calling him, man. He's a true fan of Claudia Walks. So I don't know whether you can see me well. And yeah, I was telling you, the reason why I just came out from that street is like there is this guy who was trying to harass me. It was like, Madam, nino nafanya uko. I was like rude to me, and I decided why not? Because it reached a point whereby I was not safe at all, and I had to come from that street very quickly. So guys, I think I'm in a better street and a safe one. So let's keep on walking. Piti sana bro, how are you? So good. Nini unapenda kuhusu Jamaica? Jamaica is a country.
Hey. That's what you love about Jamaica.
That's what you love about Jamaica. The weed. Kuja hapa tuambie tunapenda weed.
We love weed, Jamaica, the rhythms, roots reggae music. Jamaica to the world.
Jamaica to the world. Thank you. So guys, I think guys you saw that guy on the previous video, and we have met again. Oh, the sun here is too hot. Let me tell you guys. The reason why my camera is facing like this is because of too much sun, and I don't want to. tupatie kamoja kasafi.
Achana na huyu mkora.
Si mkora. Kamoja tu.
Jamaican women.
Jamaican women.
Pasa pasa.
Ah, piti piti.
Itamoka na alikufa.
I love Jamaican women bana. One lega. Pasa pasa.
Tungemuuliza Peter Morgan alikufa.
Wapatie.
Our legend Peter Morgan, RIP. We love you. We love Jam Down. We love ladies of Jam Down. We love you.
This guy is so crazy, man. So guys, that is it. So guys, that is it from that is it from Easily Down Street. My name is Claudia Walks. If you have come across this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Support your girl here, road to 5,000 subscribers. And guys, I'm so much glad for the love you have been showing me, guys. I don't take it for granted. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for you have been always supporting me, guys, and I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Hey, that guy is so good, man. He's there. Let me show you. He's there. So guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.